I got a box in today. It took about a week after I ordered this. Veritas. I ordered some stuff for my Starlink Mini.
Lone Star Rider on his motorcycle, raising money, making friends, seeing the country into it. Lone Star Rider,
Which I have been enjoying. So I already cut this open, but I haven't really pulled anything out. Except for this card here. I'm supposed to scan this and look at the manual so I can figure this out. But let's see what we got in the box first. I got a handle for the case because I thought that would be real nice to have. Let's see, I got this adapter for the PeakDo battery, which is right here. And I think I have to plug it into USB to start it. That's what I was reading or seeing on some of that. This little thing here is probably the plug. This is the USB cable that they probably want you to charge the PeakDo, because the PeakDo has a battery in there. It's supposed to last anywhere from 3 to 4 hours. This is a little pigtail to plug this in to that. And let's see what else is in here. They got an Allen wrench, probably to put, not this, but I'm going to move this out of the way. Oh, there's a little bit of instructions here on the bottom. Made in the USA. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. I didn't get any of the suction cups or the magnets because I really don't think I'll need those. If I do, I'll order them. Step 4. What the heck is this? They look like they're pieces of steel. Round steel with adhesive on it for some reason. Not sure what that is. Step 4, put your mounts on, which I didn't get. I'm going to go get a tripod so I can show y'all how this is put together. I didn't show you this. This is the case that goes all the way around the Starlink Mini to protect it. And then there's a place to put the handle and that. But we'll take a look at that. Anyway, I wanted to show you this here before I went and got my tripod. And I'm sure the Allen wrenches go here to loosen this up so I can put that in here. And then we'll put the handles on and stuff. All right. And take some of this stuff out and put the box to the side. It's the battery and box goes over there. I'm assuming I have to take this apart. This thing is really well made. Heavy duty bolts. It's a good thing they supplied the Allen wrench. I would have had to go get one out of the van. The whole idea behind this deal here is to just charge it up and use it when I need to, just set it out there. I've used it on my dash several times, just put the unit itself on the dash while it was plugged into the Blue Eddy power bank and let it run. So if I don't have to have cables or anything, which would be nice, except for when I need to charge this. Hoping this is going to work out. I've been really enjoying the Starlink. It works great. I haven't had any problems with it. $50 roam package. And if you go over the 50 gigs that you get with that, they charge, I think, like $1 a gig or something. I could be wrong on that. Don't quote me. All right. but this comes off and this comes apart. So let's see how this is going to work. Don't know. Got all these little shavings everywhere. It'd been nice if they cleaned that up before I bought it. Looks like this slides into place. I don't know if it goes from the top to the bottom, or does it matter? There it goes. Like I said, I think this was probably has to go this way. Nope. It has to go on the side. So I have to figure out if I want to do it on the right or the left. Alright, that goes there. This is an adapter for the PeakDo battery, so it, imagine, slides in there. I had to order that extra, which, I don't, if you're going to order this whole thing, I don't think it should cost you more money. But it does. I mean, it's not real expensive, but hey, you have to pay for it. You have to pay for it. Now, this stuff on here, this black shaving stuff. All right, so we got this together, and take the dish itself, and it should pop right in here, which it does. This I'm gonna have to take off. It'd be kind of nice that if you could leave it in here, but I'm pretty sure you have to take it off. All right, let's get this thing on. Well, they give you two shorter bolts here. These bolts right here for this, so the PeakDo can slide in there. I do not know how they came out with that name. PeakDo. PeakDo. I think you put this in before you put this on. All right, let's put this on. There, it goes in there. Seems like it holds pretty good. Swing this around. There. It's in there. Now let's put this thing on. There. So it doesn't come out once you put this in here. It always stays down here. Which, I don't know if that's okay or not, but it's there. Alright, so we're going to tighten this down now. After I find the Allen wrench. And tightened. There we go. Like the handle, does add a little bit of weight to it. Extra weight. They got these little screw holes here. If you want to put suction cup and put them up against the window or your sunroof, but I don't have a sunroof. I don't know where that black shaving is coming from. Appears to be everywhere. So let's plug this in and see what's going to happen right here, so y'all can see that happening. This is the USB-C port. Plug that in there and plug it into the laptop. Should give it some power. Oh, it came on. That's kind of, I wonder if you can turn the menu the other way. I guess if it's setting like this, it's got 38%. So you just push the button once, the little green light, and then the display comes on. But if you press and hold, then it actually turns on the Starlink. The battery will start doing that. So anyhow, that's what all this stuff I got from Veritas Vans. And this is a well-built unit, and I like it. And yeah, I could just pick it up with the handle and then place it wherever I do. Now, I do have to say this adds a little bit extra weight to this, but not too bad. What would have been nice if this whole kit was already put together. I didn't have to take these off and put the handle on and then the PeakDo stuff. If that was already on this box from Veritas Van, it would have been nice. I'm just saying, you know, the less I have to do, yeah, it's all about me. The less I have to do, the better. So, but anyway, I think this will be nice, especially if I set it outside and it got ran over by some neighbor's car, ran over it. This will protect it, so it's supposed to anyway. Yeah. I understand that this had to be, the black and the white had to be apart, but if the handle and the PeakDo were already installed because they knew I ordered all this together. So, would have been nice. All right. I'll get back with you after this thing gets charged up. I got this PeakDo charged up to about 54%. It's enough to test it out. It took about an hour to get to that. I think it's my charger. So anyhow, on this button here, instead of just tapping it, you tap and hold, and it should turn on. It is on. You got a solid green light there. All right, I got the Starlink put up on my dash over here with the mount and the PeakDo battery. And I'm facing north. And it's working really, really well. I'll put in the little video I did on the speed test and stuff here. Otherwise, I think this thing is pretty much awesome, and it's doing a really good job. Catch you on the road with the Veritas Van Mini mount and the PeakDo battery. Pretty darn cool. It's hard to do this with one hand. I didn't bring in my tripod to do this. Let's see what's in here. Can't get it out. Oh. All right. Okay.